All right, you guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you guys how to replace engine air filter on a 2012 Mini Cooper S Countryman. These are the tools you're going to need right here. Not much at all. T25. If you see that head right there, that's the T25. And a flathead screwdriver. Any size would be fine, just to remove the clamp. It's very simple. You can save a lot of money doing that yourself. Instead of take your Mini Cooper to the dealership, they can charge you at least a couple $100 just to replace an engine air filter, which is require only maybe 3 or 4 bolts that you have to remove, or 3 bolts and a clamp. All right, okay, let's get to it. First things first, you need to loosen this clamp right here. You don't have to loosen all the way, just loose enough that you can remove these holes right here. All right, now you see this connector right here? You need to remove this connector right here, air fuel ratio meter connector right here. What you do, just press it down and wiggle it, just like so. There you go. Go ahead and pull this out of the way, just like that. And you see these little T25 screws right here? You need to loosen all 3 of them, all right? Now don't worry about it, because this one is not, you won't be able to pull it up. So that's a good idea that you don't lose the screws. But it won't pull up unless you really force it, then it'll come out. But this one is good right here. Now remove this right here. If you notice, the back is just a little tab that you slide into the slot. So there's only 3 screws holding on to it, that's it, and a clamp to clamp this opening. Oh man, check this out. The previous owner didn't even install the correct air filter for it. Look at that. It's way too small. You see that right there? It's not the correct size. Look. So basically it's not filtering anything. The filter is too small. So that's a sloppy work from the previous owner or whoever did his car. Anyways, go ahead and remove it. I'm gonna replace it anyways. Look at that, it didn't filter nothing. I'm gonna clean this up a little bit to get all that dust out. Pretty filthy. And this is what I'm gonna use. Canon air filter. It's a washable air filter. So when it gets dirty, I can wash them and charge them up with the oil. The one that you have to buy from Canon air filter is a solution to wash the filter and to recharge. All right, just drop it in. Just like so. This is the correct filter size. That is how it should be, not the small size. But that one should go on perfect. Reinstall the cover. See this little tab right there? Make sure it goes into that little holes right there. Go ahead and tighten this up. You don't have to torque these down, just snug tight. That should be plenty. Looks good. Reconnect the sensor. Make sure it click, all right? Once it's clicked, that means it's in place. There you go. Reinstall the hose. Go ahead and tighten the clamp. Now you don't have to torque this down, just snug tight. That should be plenty right there. Because this hose right here is plastic, both of them are plastic, so if you over tighten it, you'll crush that plastic. That's it, you guys. Now, see that, how easy that was? Just to replace the engine air filter, stop taking your car to the dealerships, because if you do, they're definitely gonna charge you $200 or $300 just to replace an engine air filter on a Mini Cooper, because Mini Cooper owns by BMW, so you know how that goes. BMW, Mercedes, one of those luxury class cars. The air filter doesn't cost that much, maybe $15, $20, but if you go with K&N, that's around 60 bucks. Still worth it. If you clean it out like 2 or 3 times, still worth it. So save your money so you can keep that money in your pocket. All right, that's it, you guys. If you find this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.